geographers! My name is Mrs. Freed, and I want to welcome you to World Geography. My name, as I said, is Mrs. Freed, and I will be your georific World Geography teacher this upcoming school year in World Geography or World Geography Honors, if that's what you signed up for. I wanted to draw your attention to a couple things. First of all, this is a really important video for you to watch completely and pay attention to. I'm going to go over a lot of really important items in this video, so make sure you're paying attention. First thing I want to draw your attention to is right here on the screen. My name, as I said, is Mrs. Pilar Farid, and that is my email address right there on the screen and my phone number. If you need to get a hold of me, if there's some type of a question you have about this class or about anything with world geography, this is the best way to get a hold of me. You can text me, you can call me, you can email me. Take advantage of this. Contact me if you have any questions. So let's go ahead and go over a couple things that you need to be aware of as we're starting the school year. So first of all, just wanted to introduce myself. I am so looking forward to being your geography teacher this year. This is my 5th year teaching with the Virginia Virtual Academy, but it is my 10th year teaching high school in the state of Virginia. When I'm not teaching, you can usually find me hiking, reading, or rewatching Star Wars. Yes, really, I'm a bit of a Star Wars fan over here. I live in Roanoke with my husband, Jonathan, who you can see in this picture right above me, my son, Carver, and my daughter, Arlie. You can see them in the picture right there. So that's just a little bit about me. You're going to learn more about me as the year goes on, and I'm looking forward to learning about each one of you. All right, so let's go ahead and get down to basic. Let's talk about what world geography is. In this course, we will be taking a detailed look at the world around us. We're going to study geographic themes and geographic concepts these first few weeks, and then we're going to basically take those geography tools that we learn about, and we're going to look at the different geographical regions of the world. North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Oceania, Australia, New Zealand, and Antarctica. We're also going to be looking at issues such as trade, globalization, the environment, conflict and cooperation between nations and groups, and other topics that influence the world around us. Also, this is a really important thing for you to know. There is an SOL in this class. Come the end of the school year, you will be taking a SOL. So we will be using that to design our activities, our assignments this year. We will be preparing you to complete and pass with flying colors that SOL at the end of the school year. All right, let's take a brief moment and talk about Class Connect. So just like with your other classes, you will be assigned to attend one required Class Connect session a week. In this session, you will be participating in both whole and small group discussion and application of the topics that we're covering that particular week. Now, one thing that makes world geography stand out from your other classes is that there will be fill in the blank notes for you for every single Class Connect session. So while I'm going through all of the different slides, you will be filling in the corresponding fill in the blank notes. These are available already in the OMHS, and I will also email them out at the beginning of every week. So there's 2 different ways for you to get them. At the end of the Class Connect, there will be an attendance quiz that all students are required to complete within 1 week. That means that even if you have to miss the live session, you need to watch the recording and fill in the notes, and you're going to use the notes on the attendance quiz. And if you fill out the notes really, really well, there's no reason why you can't do well on that Class Connect attendance quiz. So if you fail to complete the attendance quiz, your attendance will not count for that session. So remember, Class Connect attendance counts for 10% of your overall grade in the class. We'll send out some more information and reminders about your Class Connects and what to expect here in the next couple of days. Our first Class Connects will be the week of August 29th. So we still got a little bit of time before that. All right, just wanted to discuss this right away. We have a lot of different assignments that you're going to see in this class. You're going to see quizzes, you're going to see unit tests, you're going to see skills checks, you're going to see content quizzes, Class Connect attendance quizzes. Right off the bat, as far as retakes and no retakes, for all chapter quizzes, for all content quizzes, not attendance quizzes, you will get 1 attempt and 1 retake. So you can take these quizzes twice. Attendance quizzes, you only have one attempt. For unit tests, you're going to have one attempt and no retakes. And these unit tests will be on Progress Learning / USA Test Prep. But we'll get some more information about that the closer we get to our first unit test. I do encourage you to scroll all the way to the bottom of the welcome page that I sent you that you found this video on, and to scroll all the way to the bottom and download the reference guide for world geography assessments. That'll tell you exactly what to expect and how to study for every single assessment that we take this year. I'm going to really briefly cover this because this can be a little bit confusing, especially for those of you who are brand new to VAVA. Every single assignment that we will have this year has 3 dates: a start date, a due date, and an end date. A start date is the date that the assignment opens and becomes available for every student to complete. A due date is the date the assignment is expected to be done by, and an end date is the date that the assignment is no longer available for students to complete. So this is where we get the flexibility, which is so awesome about VAVA. Even though every assignment has a due date, please know that with the flexibility of this school, the assignments can still be completed after the due date. But assignments cannot be completed after the end date. But don't worry, I will send a lot of reminders and emails and remind texts so that you will not miss an important end date. Speaking of end dates and details, we have a lot of different end dates coming up here. If you look over here, you will see the breakdown of every single grade that you're going to have in this class. An important thing to note is that all assignments, quizzes, tests, except for Class Connect attendance quizzes and skill checks in my class, will be due on Fridays. Monthly skills checks we will talk about here when we get closer to the month of October. You'll be assigned 1 per month. The due date and end date for these assignments will always be the last day of the month. So you'll be assigned your first monthly check in the month of October. We still got a little bit of time left before that. All right, now here we have something that I want to make you guys aware of. So every single week in World Geography, I'm going to be sending out a What in the World weekly newsletter. Now, you're probably asking, what is What in the World? This is a live newsletter that I will send out once a week, and I'll have it posted in the OMHS that will contain important reminders, extra review links, and other great resources designed to keep you from asking, what in the world is going on in World Geography class? There will be extra SOL review resources, reminders about upcoming due dates and assignments, and lots of other great resources for you. So be sure to check this out in my weekly email. Check out the What in the World weekly newsletter. Now, you are probably already familiar with Remind. I do use Remind in this class. You're encouraged to download it. I send at least 2 weekly reminders a week reminding you what assignments are due, as well as to complete your attendance quiz. Super easy to do. All you need to do is text the message at FreedGeo22 to the number 81010, and you will sign up for my weekly text message reminders. And this is also a really quick and easy way to contact me. All right, that's just about it. Just a few quick final points and reminders. Remember to understand the difference between due dates and end dates. Be sure to check the announcements every day. Check your email every day. Be sure to be on the lookout for my What in the World newsletter. And don't forget to sign up for Remind. Text the message at FreedGeo22 to 81010 so you can stay in the know with what is going on. Well, that's just about it. If you have watched this video entirely, if you have looked and read carefully over my entire welcome page, I'm going to encourage you and remind you to complete the Learning Coach and student surveys. You can find those links at the bottom of my welcome page. All right, everyone, I'm looking forward to having you in class this year. Have a georific start to school, and please let me know if you have any questions. Bye, everyone.